So now what we're going to do is create a new component inside of our e-commerce project called Carts. This component will actually be handling all of the shopping carts for all of our authenticated users, as in logged in users, as well as our guest users, as in not logged in users. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and open up Terminal. And I'm actually not inside my project yet, so I'm going to open up two new Terminal windows. And I'm going to cd into dev and then cd into e-commerce. And we're going to go ahead and activate our project and cd into source. And then I'll just do pwd pb copy. Your Windows users, you're going to have to just sort of copy and select or actually go to the project itself. This just allows me to do, when I do pwd pb copy, it allows me to copy the path that I'm on. So I can just go ahead and cd into that path and then source bin/activate just like that. And I'll go ahead and run the server again. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's go ahead and create this component Carts, or the app. So python manage.py, start app Carts. And it was created here with no errors, and we have it here. Cool. So now we have our cart component created. How do we go about using this? Well, the first thing that I'm going to do is actually create a view specifically to see this cart. And I'm going to keep it in as a function-based view for a moment. And I'll just say cart home. And it's going to take in the request. And it's going to return render request. And we will do carts/home.html and empty context. Okay. So inside of my carts folder, or the app itself, we're going to add templates in here. We could put it in this one, but again, I want to have portable apps that I can reuse. So that's why I actually have it inside here. And then we're going to do carts and then home.html. Just a very basic document here, and extends base.html with our block content. And we'll do in block here. Okay. And we'll just call it H1 cart. Cool. So now that we've got that, let's go ahead into our settings module, settings.py in this case. We're going to go ahead and add in our cart app. So carts, save that. And then I want to bring in this view to my main URLs. So if I scroll down, I actually probably want to copy search and products. That's probably what I'll end up doing at some point. But for now, I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to get rid of some of these comments. We don't need them anymore. So we'll go ahead and do from carts.views import cart home. That's what we called it. All right. So cart home, that's what we'll use. And then we'll come back in here. And I'm just going to copy this login page really quickly. And we'll do cart home, cart, and cart. All right, a lot of review stuff right there. With my server is running, so I should be able to go to cart here. And yes, I can actually see it. So it's there. Now what we need to do is actually start implementing certain aspects of this cart. So before we even add this button of like add product to cart, we want to understand the concept of how these carts are going to work in relation to sessions. So that's something we'll talk about in the next one. Stay with us.